At PASC 24 at ETH Zurich. I'm here with Mauro Bianco from the Swiss National Supercomputing Center, ETH Zurich. And you're here because you have been a chair of one of the minisymposium at this PASC conference. Can you tell us what was the minisymposium about?
So the minisymposium addressed the issue of developing complex scientific applications, especially in the context of the weather and climate domain, in which we the problem in this applications are very complex is that it's difficult to introduce software engineering. And so there have been other mini-symposium here at PASC addressing the issue for the applications that are already existing. So we wanted to address the issue of what if we develop a new application, how would we go about it, right? So in order to make the model composable, in order to be able to attach workflow or machine learning approaches.
So basically how to design.
Yeah, it was basically, yeah, it was thought as how do we design an high performance application, which is not simple, like weather and climates. So many things going on at the same time in order to be engineered in some sense.
So after all 3 days of discussions, besides, the mini-symposium, would you have an outcome of this mini-symposium that you really liked and that you want to share with us?
So there was a lot of interest in this kind of discussions. People recognize that the older approach by using imperative styles like Fortran or C are not really easy to use if you want to develop a new thing, and so a lot of emphasis was made in Python and Julia too. Okay. So these novel and not so new approaches. That allows this interoperability and composability, and also allow you to test your application, something that in Fortran is not that easy, for instance.
Mauro, what would be your wish to see happening in the next coming months, not to lose the momentum and also the interest that a conference like PASC has initiated?
Well, the momentum would be to get back in touch with the people that are developing different components and try to, use each other pieces of software so that we can show that this approach can actually work. And so, yeah, I hope that will happen.
So I wish you all the best then, and good luck. And I also hope to see you again at PASC 25 with the follow-up of what you have started here this year.
Thank you
very much.
Thank you.